Some of the smartest people you know are completely broke. They understand the macroeconomy, they think in complex systems, they can analyze a business model until it bleeds data. And yet, they struggle to pay rent. It raises a strange, almost haunting question. If intelligence is the ultimate leverage, why doesn't it always lead to money? Why do people with half their IQ have 10 times their net worth? Psychology has a brutal answer. It's called the intelligence trap. And if you're a deep thinker, you're likely standing right in the middle of it. The first reason is analysis paralysis. Being smart doesn't automatically mean taking action. In fact, it often does the opposite. Highly analytical people don't just see a goal. They see the 500 ways that goal could fail. They predict the risks. They calculate the market crashes. They imagine the worst-case scenarios before they've even bought a domain name. While the less informed person is already moving, making mistakes, learning, and pivoting, the genius is still at home, staring at a spreadsheet, trying to optimize a move they haven't even made yet. They aren't stuck because they lack ability. They're stuck because they see too many outcomes. They are paralyzed by their own foresight. Then there's the perfection problem. Smart people often tie their entire identity to being right. To a high achiever, making a mistake isn't just a business expense, it's a blow to their ego. They don't want to look unprepared. They don't want to fail publicly. They don't want to be the smart guy who did something stupid. So they wait, they plan, they refine the strategy for the third year in a row. But the market doesn't reward the person with the best plan. It rewards the person who can endure the most embarrassment. Progress rewards imperfect action. Money flows to those who are willing to look dumb long enough to eventually become right. The most dangerous trap of all? The comfort of knowledge. For an intellectual, learning feels like doing. Reading the book feels like progress. Watching the tutorial feels like movement. Understanding the theory gives you a dopamine hit that tricks your brain into thinking you've actually accomplished something. But knowledge without execution isn't power, it's just heavy luggage. Many intelligent people get caught in a loop of productive procrastination. They keep sharpening the axe, but they never actually swing it at the tree. Intelligence isn't the problem, but how you use it might be. In the real world, your brain can either be an engine or an anchor. If you use it to find reasons to wait, it's an anchor. If you use it to solve problems while you're moving, it's an engine. Stop trying to be the smartest person in the room. Start being the most active. Because a dumb plan in motion will always beat a perfect plan that never leaves your head.